Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the sound of vowel E with different English letters. We have 5 vowels in English language. These are A, E, I, O, U. And in this video series, we are going to learn the sound of vowel E with different letters. So let's begin our video. You all have to repeat the words after me so that you will learn to pronounce the sound better. So let's begin. The sound of letter E with A. So it becomes the sound of E. E. Repeat after me. E. T. 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 C. 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 P. 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 Very good. Let's move to the next sound, that is sound of E and B. It becomes ebb. Repeat after me. Ebb. Ebb. First word is ab. 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 Wab. 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 Neb. 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 Let's move to the next sound, that is sound of E and D. It becomes ed. Repeat after me. Ed. Open your mouth slightly. Ed. Ed. Bed. 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 Red. 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 Wed. 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 Very good. Let's move to the next letter. Next sound. The sound of letter E with letter E. So it becomes the sound of E. Repeat after me. E. E. So we have first word, that is B. 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 P. 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 C. 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 Very good. Now we have the sound of vowel E with letter G. So it becomes the sound of egg. Egg. Try to use your throat muscle. Egg. Egg. Leg. 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 Peg. 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 Beg. 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 Very good. Let's move to the next sound. So we have sound of vowel E with letter L. So it becomes the sound of L. L. Use your tongue. L. Okay, so let's read the words. Ill. 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 Gel. 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 We have next sound of vowel E with M. So it becomes M. Repeat after me. M. Touch your both the lips. M. While pronouncing this sound, you have to touch your both the lips. M. So gem. 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 Open your mouth and pronounce this sound, and in closing of the sound you have to touch your both the lips. Gem. Gem. Okay. Now we have sound of vowel E with N. So it becomes the sound of N. N. Use your tongue. N. Touch your tongue on your upper jaw. N. N. So let's read the words. Hen. 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 Men. 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 Pen. 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 Very good. Let's move to the next sound of vowel E with letter O. So it becomes yo. 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 Make your mouth bit, in circular way. O. Yo. So let's read the words dio, 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 Leo, 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 Neo, 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 Neo. Very good. Let's move to the next sound. So the sound of vowel E with P. So it becomes ep, ep, ep. You touch your both the lips, ep, ep, and widen, wide your mouth. So let's read the words. So first word is sep, 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 pep, 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 yep, 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 yep. Very good. Let's move to the next sound of vowel E with letter R. So it becomes the sound of er, er. Use your tongue, er. Move your tongue upward and downward, okay? Er, er. Let's read the words her, 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 purr, 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 purr. Very good. Let's move to the next sound of vowel E with letter S. So it becomes S, 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 S. Use your upper jaw and tongue. S, S, S. So we have a word yes, 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 yes. Very good. Let's move to the next sound of vowel E with letter T. So it becomes the sound of at, at. Use your tongue, at. So the sound becomes, so let's read the words get, 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 let, 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 net, 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 net. Very good. Let's move to the next sound of vowel E with letter W. So it becomes the sound of U, U. Use your muscles of throat, U. Now read the words. We have first word dew, 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 few, 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 new, 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 new. Very good. Let's move to the next next sound of vowel E with letter Y. So it becomes the sound of A, A, A. Repeat after me, A. Use your tongue properly, A. Let's read the words. Hey, 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 fay, 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 key, 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 key. So with this we have ended this chapter, and I hope you have enjoyed and learnt all the sounds of vowel E with different letters.